Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must act now to reduce immediate risk. First, make a tiny safety plan. Pick 3 people you can contact, 1 safe place to go, and 1 simple action you'll take if urges rise. Remove or lock away anything that could harm you and ask someone you trust to hold items if needed. This lowers impulsive danger. Use a 5-4-3-2-1 grounding exercise to shift your attention with sight, sound, touch, smell. Taste, this interrupts the intensity, so you can breathe and think. Once immediate risk is reduced, reach out. Call or text one trusted contact and say exactly what you need: ride, stay, listen. Make a short coping list: breathing 4-4-4, 5-minute distractions, music tracks, or a 10-minute walk. These lower emotional intensity physiologically. Schedule or contact a mental health professional today and tell them you've had suicidal thoughts. They can adjust care and safety planning. If you cannot get through, contact your local crisis service or emergency help right away. To move beyond the crisis, build a written aftercare plan with clear warning signs, step-by-step actions, and 3 accessible contacts. Put it somewhere visible. Keep routine therapy and medical appointments and review medications with a prescriber if side effects worsen mood. Make small daily goals: sleep, nutrition, 10-minute sunlight. If you relapse or urges spike despite these steps, treat it as an emergency. Call your crisis line, emergency services, or go to the nearest ER. Don't wait, get help immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.